At Innostrat, we redefine what precision means, pushing boundaries others don't dare approach. We've engineered and delivered a custom-built, sensor-based gauge system capable of rapid, ultra-accurate dimensional inspection. With a least count of just 0.2 microns, we are among the very few organizations in North America achieving this level of accuracy. The system integrates over 35 LVDTs and precision sensors, working in perfect sync to inspect complex geometric features in minutes. Real-time wireless data collection, powered by Solartron Orbit software, fully programmed in-house, ensures seamless analysis and consistent performance. A user-friendly interface puts control directly in your hands, backed by step-by-step training and comprehensive documentation. Whether in defense, aerospace, automotive, or medical, this system is designed to perform in the most demanding environments. Custom, scalable, smart, this is Innostrat, delivering the future of precision inspection. Contact Innostrat for more information